In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell in FxPro. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your trading terminal. And once you are here, you can begin buying and sell by simply going to your favorites, and you can see your favorites are here. Here it is, or if you can't see it, you can go ahead and add on this plus, choose watch list, and then go to favorite here, and it will add the favorites here. So once you are on favorites, you can go ahead and now begin placing your order. For instance, I have Euro USD here. You can go ahead and buy by just clicking on it and apply, or if you want to sell, you can also go ahead and click on it and it will be added here. The order request, you can see it here. So you can buy as many as you want and also buy and sell as you wish, and it will be added here. You can see here they are. Alternatively, you can go ahead and just click on this plus and then go to order entry, and it will add this terminal here where you can now choose your order and choose the substance that you wish. And once you have chosen it, you can go ahead and add market, limit, or even stop. You can also change volume as you wish from here. Also, if you like buying and selling directly using charts, you can go ahead and just expand this chart here by just clicking on this, or use it as it is. And from here, you can just buy or sell as you wish here. You can also go ahead and add more commodities by clicking on this, and you can also add any of the substances as you wish and make a purchase or sell bid as you wish. You can also expand this terminal by just clicking on this to make sure that you have a wider view of your interaction with FxPro. So that's how you can buy and sell in FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.